Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on the flashlight on your AMAZFIT Balance 3. As you can see, there is a flashlight here at the top, and in order to enable it you'll need to either slide down from the top of your screen and click on the flashlight. Then you can click on the up button to adjust the brightness and color, up or down button basically. So there's the red color, there's low brightness level, medium, let's say, high and very high, and it is indeed quite high. As you can see, it's quite okay. Now when I just swipe, I guess, yeah, I can leave it. And now the other method of entering is, if you haven't changed the settings, you can press and hold on this button right here and it just enables the flashlight, and you can also change the intensity and the color. Now I'll press and hold on it again, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.